Your channel banner is eye-catching, or it should be, and it's the thing that pulls people in and sets expectations. I'm going to show you how you can upload a new channel banner very, very quickly. Your YouTube banner is a very powerful tool that can highlight who you are, what you do, establish you as the core focus of your channel, and give a call to action. In my case, it drives a lot of traffic into my channel and establishes me as a YouTube certified expert, tells you that I upload every Monday and Thursday, and gives a call to action to my subscribe button. But how do I edit this? You go to the dashboard, you go to customization on the left hand side. Here you'll see the layout section of the customization tool where you can change your channel trailer and what videos and playlists you display on your homepage. I've done a tutorial that I'll link in the iCard, but for us, we're looking at branding. Here you can change your channel avatar, your banner, and your watermark. Today we are changing the banner, and it suggests for best results on all devices, use an image that is at least 2048 pixels by 1152 pixels and an image that is 6 megabytes or less. Now you can remove a banner by clicking remove or click change. Now I have my branding in a folder. So what I do is I go down here, I choose the banner that I want to use, I click banner and click open. It will now show you the important sections of your banner, where it's viewable on TV, what's viewable on desktop, and what's viewable on mobile devices. You can resize these by clicking drag, and you can see where it happens to be. So in this case, say I wanted to get the arrow out of that box. I could just resize it just a little bit. Okay, so my head is still cropped in. It still says subscribe now, right? I can drag it across and frame it in or frame it out. The arrow is now out. And when I'm done, I click done. Now, the important thing is that the YouTube banner, just like most branding, can take up to 48 hours to fully change on all devices. So don't worry if it's not done straight away. It will change over time. Now you've set up your banner, it's time to sort out your avatar. Click this video here. Or maybe you want to organize your homepage to make it look more appealing. Watch this video here.